Industry 4.0 is a general term describing the fourth industrial revolution, also sometimes called a smart factory. The three prior revolutions had some core technologies fueling these. This was steam power with the first, electricity with the second, and computers in the third. Industry 4.0 cannot easily be boiled down to a specific advancement in technology, but is a more collection of many technologies. This collection includes technologies such as augmented reality, autonomous robots, industrial Internet of Things, and additive manufacturing, simulations, big data, and analytics. These advancements in both the physical and software world merged together is also called a cyber-physical system. This is a result of the global market increased competition and also the consumer demand for newer and more customizable products.